Welcome in the Center for Research, Science and Technology, or briefly mentioned as Puspiptek. Puspiptek is the most complete cluster of science and technology in Indonesia. Built on the land as wide as 460 hectares, located in Serpong, Tangerang Regency, Banten Province. It was founded in 1976 based on the idea of Professor Dr. Sumitro Joyo Hadikusumo, and its accomplishment was realized by Professor Dr. Ing B.J. Habibie and subsequently developed by the next Ministers of Research and Technology.
Saya meminta pada Pak Budi supaya dipertahankan lingkungan yang indah, sejuk dan teduh ini. Lingkungannya teduh, hati kita teduh. Lingkungannya sejuk, hati kita sejuk. Lingkungannya bersih, hati kita bersih. Kalau hati kita bersih, tidak tergoda untuk melakukan penyimpangan. Kalau hati kita teduh, tidak suka kekerasan. Kalau hati kita sejuk, kita bisa membangun harmoni, kasih sayang, toleransi, kerukunan di antara kita semua, sesama warga bangsa yang sama-sama kita cintai dan banggakan.
Hari ini saya kenapa untuk kumpul di sini supaya daerah-daerah sadar teknologi. Yang mesti sadar teknologi daerah atau kita. Kita juga mesti sadar bahwa apa yang mesti diterapkan. Jadi jangan saya nanti minta daerah-daerah pemulung dan daerah lainnya. Coba tanya nanti saya ini dan saya minta dijawab nanti dalam penelitian.
The management of Puspiptek area, led by a chairman of Puspiptek, managing the Division of Administration and Employment, Division of Cooperation and Marketing of Science and Technology, Division of Facilities and Infrastructures, and Division of Security and Safety for the area. Currently, at the Puspiptek area has been available 30 laboratories under 3 non-governmental agencies, or LPND, under the coordination of Ministry of Research and Technology, BPPT, LIPI, and Batan, as well as 1 laboratory under the coordination of Ministry of Environment, or KLH, and sectors of research, development and engineering, as well as education, can be carried out in Puspiptek. Energy, pharmacies, agricultures, biotechnologies, physics, biology, chemistry, instrumentation, informatics, metallurgies, constructions, automotive, aeronautics, thermodynamics, civil, environment, and nuclear. The Puspiptek is supported by laboratories with perfect and modern and has more than educated 3,500 human resources. There are the domestic and foreign graduates who possibly could directly produce added value to the economy of Indonesia in compliance with the real market mechanism. Such additional value directly shall be resulted in the form of increasing the quality and productivity as a technical service contribution such as examination, calibration, engineering, construction design, as well as a fabric pilot project in the frame of MSDQ, measurement, standard, testing, and quality assurance. While innovation as an output of research activity give its contribution for product diversification, new science finding and development for more optimum efficiency. The activities that are carried out in Puspiptek on the sector of energy, they are research and development as well as engineering on finding the alternative energy resources such as energies of sun thermal, biomasses, hybrid, wind, fuel cell, coal, palm oil fuel, castor oil, soybean oil, etc., with the last outcome in form of biodiesel. On the automotive sector, having examination and analysis on engine performance, vehicle performance, disposal gas emission, influences on using additive, lubrication, diesel engine fuel system, influence on engine modification, transmission system, analysis on lubrication system and lubrication characteristic, disposal gas analysis, diesel engine smoke analysis, internal engine flow dynamic analysis, ignition system analysis, etc. for component quality assurance or any materials made of concrete, plastic, metal, as well as other material used on automotive, locomotive, aircraft, bridge, building, and so forth can be made a structure power examination, either destructive test or non-destructive test. There's Indonesian Low Speed Tunnel or ILST as an instrument to know the aerodynamic character determining the performance, stability, strength, safety, control capability, and other aspects on aircraft, automotive, vessel, high building, bridge or offshore oil platform. On pharmacy sector, carrying out learning on production of drugs raw materials, erythromycin, penicillin, tetracycline, cephalosporin, vitamin B12, lovastatin, etc. Biotechnology sector in Puspiptek, carrying out a genetics engineering through tissue culture for ornamental plant, food plant, farm plant, forestry plant and herbal plant, such as chrysanthemum, olive, orchid, carnation, potatoes, pineapple, banana, oil palm, teak tree, castor oil, vanilla, aloe, etc. Other than its capability in measurement, calibration, it has also been able to design and make night vision periscope for tank or panzer and commando, single point rifle aim instrument. Especially for the polymer or plastic raw material, over a solution for polymer industry and the related industry. Through 4 technological services, they are examination, research and development, training and technical consultation on polymer. Program of metallurgy research in Puspiptek comprises of extraction, metal and corrosion technology, in which all of these having intention to produce valuable metal, developing technology of manufacturing, processing the metal producing the last product or intermediary products between industry, as well as controlling corrosion attack on metal. The research on chemistry in Puspiptek, carrying out a research in developing the process of formulation and synthesis of superior and special chemical substances from mine ore, oil palm, plant oil and natural material. Chemical analysis for any commodity either in form of raw material, product or additive. On food technology, carrying out biological and chemical food analysis, evaluating the nutrition value and research on food preservation process, additive manufacture, supplement for food and beverage manufacture. The science and technological service that can be applied in the society and industry comprises of constructing an incinerator, a liquid sewage processor unit, the renewable energy equipment and high temperature stove. It is available a house of technology incubator as a place for educating the small and medium business. Cooperative or UKM or K with the basis of technology or innovation. The research and development of nuclear energy in Indonesia was commenced since 1954. The development of nuclear industry program in Indonesia intended to the social welfare that become an underpinning and direction of the activity on research and development. In Puspiptek is available an effective GA Siwabesi, briefly mentioned as RSG, GAS, built up in 1983 with a maximum thermal energy as much as 30 megawatt, used for research activity in nuclear science and technology, as well as serving the nuclear irradiation activity. The results of research and services on nuclear sector having been felt and used by the society are: health sector they are, having been made a thyroid uptake counter or instrument for diagnosing the thyroid gland detection test, double renograph probe, an instrument used for detecting any defect on the kidney, lead apron, radiation clothes for reducing the dosage accepted by radiation workers, radiopharmaca that has been marketed and used in several hospitals, such like MIBI, Heart Perfusion Investigator, HMPAO, Brain Investigator, 131I Lipiodol used in brain therapy and also used for stopping growth of cancer and killing it, MAG3, investigating the kidney function. It has also been produced several types of radioisotope. They are TUI-201, SM-153, SR-89, RB-86, AU-198. Agricultural field. It has been produced the varieties of rice atomita 1 up to 4, Chilosari wolia, Merauke, soybean, Muria Tengger, Meratus. Raw food preservation process by irradiation technology of supplementation on ruminant poultry feed. Industrial field. Vulcanizing the car's tire surface, making a hydrogel from the tapioca material. Plywood coating process anti-scratch and glossy. Manufacturing field. Observing the macro and micro of the metal substance. Determining the metal thickness of industrial installation. Pipe and pressure container. Determining the age of industrial component residue. Detecting the pipe leakage. For monitoring and controlling the environmental impact, it is available center for the environmental impact controlling infrastructure, or PUSAR pedal, having the laboratory for water quality, examination laboratory for land and solid sewage, examination laboratory for air quality, laboratory for noise and tremor, and biological laboratory. Puspiptek is also completed by supporting facilities such as convention building Graha Widya Bhakti with sporting facilities, congregation hall with international standard that can hold 800 people, auditorium hall for 135 people, and meeting room for 25 up to 80 people, as well as lobby that could be used for exhibition and reception. It is available at Puspiptek Guest House, an inn equal to the 3 stars hotel with a capacity of 110 rooms prepared for accommodating the domestic and foreign guests, either as scientist visitors or as convention participants. The Puspiptek Guest House can be rented by public, either institutional or individual. There is also available homestay, fully completed with its facilities that can be rented by any family or visitors group. Health examination service facility, security and safety, hygienic water processing facility, sport facility, praying facility, electricity guard of 150 kilovolt and incinerator. The green landscape between the buildings in Puspiptek area is utilized for collecting the Indonesian vegetation types. Therefore, this area is the botanical garden. In the middle of Puspiptek area, there are a province garden, completed by gazebo or traditional houses from each provinces. The whole research and development and the supporting facilities available in the Puspiptek area are expected to be utilized for the activities that the outcome are for increasing the welfare of Indonesian people. We would like to invite the industrial party, entrepreneurship, universities, small and medium business and cooperative or UKMK and other scientific society to have a joint research in the frame of technology learning. Welcome to join and having partnership with Puspiptek.